How can I make my place more peaceful? Shane is referring to his home space and how to bring in more peace into his environment. So many of us have shifted to merging our home and work lives. How can Shane make his place a more peaceful environment to be in?
Okay, Shane, a space to create a peaceful environment. If you have a bedroom and you are the single person in that bedroom, you can create a little altar space on top of your dresser or a little table, light a candle, one or two or three candles, and some of the masters that you resonate with, those that have gone before us and left their mark upon the earth, you can use the tools from them or even from any one of my books or from the talks that we're having and just write it on paper. As you put it on paper and you're in your peaceful, quiet space, you're seeing it, you're reinforcing it, and you're strengthening it within you. And you begin to feel a sense of calmness, a sense of a sense of I am opening up to what is already there within me. Having a peaceful space is very, very important to each and every one of us. And you can always go to that space, regardless of what is going on within your mind, whatever chaos is taking place. And in that space, you are feeling is the language of the soul. You feel a sense of lightness and a sense of, you're at peace within yourself. It works.